All right, guys, here we go with another addition algorithm. This is called the partial sum algorithm, and this might help some students, again, that are having difficulties carrying over from one place to another. So we're going to go ahead and solve this problem using the traditional method, and then we'll talk about the partial sum algorithm. So we have 7 plus 8, that gives us 15. Then we have 4 plus 1 gives us 5, plus 3 gives us 8, and then 3 plus 5 gives us 8, for a total of 885. Let me go ahead and rewrite this problem a little bit over here, so we've got some room. 347 and 538. And so what we're doing here in this partial sum algorithm is we're really going to break it down into powers of 10. And we're going to be looking at, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and then the hundreds place. And really how we're going to imagine this is, you don't have to write this portion down, but we're imagining that this is going to be broken up into like 300 plus 40 plus 7. And this one will kind of be broken up into the same thing with our hundreds. 500 plus 30 plus 8. Okay? Again, you don't have to write this portion, but that's just how we're thinking of it, okay? So we have 7 plus 8, that gives us 15. So we're just going to write both those numbers down here on the bottom. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to, again, separate it by the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So in our ones place, we had 15. In our tens place, again, we're pretending that this is 40, not just the number 4. So 40 plus 30, and that's going to give us a nice number of 70. Okay? And then moving over to that hundreds place, we've got 300 plus 500. Just looking at that number, right? The numbers here in the hundreds place, 300 plus 500, and that gives us a total of 800. Now we're just going to add these up, make it nice and smooth all the way down. 5, 8, and 8. And that gives us that same answer of 885, which is exactly what we had when you did it the traditional way. So hope that this helps some people in learning that partial sum algorithm, breaking it up into the powers of 10 and adding them together.